Today, we're working on the F100. Biggest problem I have with this truck right now is not the fact that it doesn't run well. I don't fit in it very well. The steering wheel is right in my face. I mean, look at this. It actually measures just shy of 16 inches in diameter. And that made sense back in 1962 when this had manual steering. This now has power steering. I don't need this much steering wheel trying to force it over. It steers really easy now. It makes it super touchy because it's such a large steering wheel. I was all over the internet trying to find exactly what I wanted. I didn't want something that looked too modern, but I didn't want to have something that was too boring either, so I stumbled upon this bad boy. Nice vintage looking steering wheel, 9-hole. Picked it up from cjponyparts.com, plus the adapter that I hope works because it doesn't say it works for an F100, but it does work on an old Mustang, and I'm hoping the threads are the same. And the reason I picked up this one instead of the one they had on hand was this one is black. If you don't have a puller, you can always buy one off of Amazon. I'll put a link below for you guys for that. Or you just rent one from AutoZone. This whole kit comes with the bolts and everything in there, which is nice. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself on here because I didn't unplug anything. Those don't fit that great. Well, great news. I have two massive buckets of bolts and miscellaneous stuff. And I don't have a single bolt that will thread into that steering wheel for me to take it off. Little tech tip, whenever you need bolts or fittings like that, don't go to the parts store. It's no point. Ace Hardware, True Value, Home Depot, Lowe's, they have a much better selection and generally get the job done long before AutoZone and those places do. Picked up a hitchhiker. Hang on, buddy. Good job, buddy, for hanging on. Back at it. Got the bolts. $4 for bolts. Bolts are getting expensive. I didn't think about getting washers. I probably should have got washers. Boom. Shakalaka. Please don't tell me I'm going to have to go get longer bolts. I'm going to be really pissed if I have to get longer bolts. Really? All that work and it literally came loose that easy? Ew, it's dirty. Food for thought for when you're going to get yourself a steering wheel for a classic car or even a modern car. There's a lot more to buying a steering wheel than just the overall diameter. If you actually were to compare these two, I mean, just look at the depth that you have from here to here. I mean, let's do this here. I mean, not only does this steering wheel fit in here, being a lot smaller, but look at how much less that steering wheel is going to protrude out from the steering column. That's going to give me a whole lot more room. Now, your application may vary depending on what you're doing. I mean, I wanted that steering wheel a little bit further away from me. I need it a little bit smaller so it's a little easier to drive the vehicle. Not only aesthetically, but it makes the vehicle drive better and more manageable for me for what I plan to do with my vehicle. A few things that people don't always think about when they're buying stuff for their car, because they're like, oh, I just want it to look better. If that's the case, that's cool, depending on your project, but it can be more things to make it more functional for you as well. Now comes the time, does this have the same splines as that column? I'm really hoping so. Yes, same splines. Woo! My particular kit, it came with two different collars that I can put on here to match up to the steering wheel. My steering wheel is very narrow, so this one's got a step on it that I'm not. Just tried it, doesn't look as good, so this one doesn't have the step, there's a slight taper down on it, but it fits right on here nice and snug. So weird, that is my winner. Normally these are just not actually have a keyway or something. This got nothing. Weird. Adapter plate? I don't know what this is. Spacer? Beauty ring? Something. No idea why I opted to get a 9-hole versus like a 6-hole style. Now I have that many more screws to put this thing on with. And now I get to stare at the big gaping hole here because I don't have a horn button yet. A lot easier to be through around this truck on the road course. Like, yeah, get on, yeah, gear. I can reach the shifter now without the steering wheel jamming into me. Holy shnikes, I didn't even think about that. I am really happy with this. It matches the aesthetic of the inside of the truck, the old school look. I'm still not thrilled about the chrome because it's already shining me in the face. A pair of sunglasses should fix that. See how well she drives now. That was a big part of why I did this change, to see how well she would drive. Oh, don't be dead. Oh, come on. This is why I like fuel injection. wandering, but I think it's just the extra play in the suspension. But this steering wheel definitely makes it a lot easier to drive this truck. It drives so much better now. A little bit of work, going a long way. Coming soon, I'll be changing out the seats on this thing, give myself a little more space. Also, I feel like I'm not sliding all around in this thing. But go work on your own cars. Till next time, peace.